Hey guys, I'm gonna try to keep this video short because it's crazy hot out here. Well, not crazy hot, but it's pretty hot out here, and I don't want to get a sunburn slash skin cancer. I am at UC Davis Veg Crops field facility, surrounded by corn all over the place. This corn you see over here is a lot more mature than my own. I just planted my stuff about 2 weeks ago, and this is my field right here. The seedlings are a lot smaller, and you can see some itty bitty baby seedlings down here. Right there's a little itty bitty baby in there. But yeah, that's my field. This is my field. So my experiment, I don't really want to go into details of my experiment, but I studied genetics and populations of maize from Mexico, looking at their abilities to associate with different microbial organisms. A lot of people don't know this, but microbial organisms are very important for plant growth. And our job, or my job, the main goal of my research is kind of to try to figure out the underlying genetics of the plant that govern its ability to associate with specific microbial organisms so that the plant can grow and perform better in potentially poor soil conditions. So if we can figure out what makes the plants tick in this way, what allows them to associate with beneficial microbial organisms, then we can potentially cut down on the fertilizer use throughout the country and throughout the world, making different crops beneficial or more beneficial for the environment and less costly for the consumer, which would obviously benefit not only us but people that need it more in developing countries that can't necessarily afford to buy the seeds that are more costly. So that's the general gist of my project and what I study. And let's see, you can see over there, you see that little crow over there? He is kind of poking around to find some of the corn seeds. Like, all of mine are pretty much seedlings at this point, so they're not really in jeopardy, but crows will come down every now and then and try to pluck out the seeds before the little plant emerges from the seed. The crows will try to just eat the seed itself. And so that's a little bit of an issue, but it looks like our field is pretty good. I want to get a little closer to show you what's going on. All these orange stakes represent different families, different genetic families of plants within our field. We have a lot of different genetic families. All of them are segregating for different genetic traits, and once these plants grow a lot taller, we'll be able to see extreme differences in phenotype of the plant. Phenotype is basically just a fancy word for the plant's appearance and the plant's characteristics. So all of these orange stakes represents a different genotype, and once the plants are larger, we'll be able to see different characteristics in each of these families. But yeah, that's that for this video. Let me know if you are interested in learning more about my genetic studies, my genetic adventures here at UC Davis. And with that, I will sign off, because otherwise, if I stay here any longer, I am surely going to get a sunburn. You can see how white I am. Yeah, so all right, until next time, you guys have a good day / week / life. All right, see you guys later. Peace.